Simmy and welcome to another exciting episode of Maison L'Oréal Paris, your one-stop for everything beauty. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the notification bell so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video. Now, makeup is all about matching and enhancing your natural features. It's about striking that perfect balance between looking put together without having to spend hours in front of the mirror experimenting, because nobody really starts off as an amazing makeup artist. It's only the time that you grow. So to help you out with some of those basic skills today, we have invited celebrated makeup artist Namrata Soni. She's been in the industry for more than 10 years now and she's worked with a number of Bollywood celebrities right from Sonam Kapoor and Radhika Apte. So without wasting any more time, let's call Namrata. Hi Namrata, welcome to our channel. How are you doing?
I'm very well, Simmy. It's so nice to see you after so long. I hope the lockdown has treated you well.
Oh yes, it has, and it's so good to see you. So we were hoping if you could help us out with some makeup do's and don'ts, because we wanted to help our viewers out with that, and who better than you to guide us through it.
Of course, I am super excited, especially with the L'Oreal range of makeup. You all have such amazing makeup where we actually can do an entire face and professionally that too. So I'm super excited to be doing this video with Simmy.
Alright ma'am, let's get started.
Okay, so what we're going to start with is the most important step is after you prep your skin, you're supposed to allow it to set for around 10 minutes so that your skin is hydrated, it goes into your pores, it goes into your skin and it basically hydrates it. So now that you've done that, let's start with the makeup application. So the first step in making sure that your skin looks even and beautiful is using a good concealer. Now the L'Oreal concealer is fantastic. It comes with a dough applicator, which is fantastic. And you take a little bit of that on the brush and make sure you remove the excess. Always start with less and then keep increasing it. Okay, so take a mirror in front of you, take your concealer wand and apply it from the inner corner to the outer corner. That's right. You can either apply dots or you can apply just a swipe. That's your comfort zone as per how much coverage you want on your under eyes. Once you do that, do you have a sponge with you?
Yes.
So just make sure that your sponge is always damp. It should never be soaking wet. It should be damp, and use it by just patting and dabbing your under eyes. That's correct. Good. That's beautifully done, Simmy. Great job. So, Simmy, do you know, I'm sure you do, but do you know how to correctly match your foundation shade to your face?
Yeah, I mean, you basically match it with your cheek, with your face to your neck. And you just figure out which is the one that matches you perfectly, I think.
Take 3 foundations that are as close to your skin color as possible. Swatch it on the side of your face and the color that matches your skin perfectly.
Okay, so I have the shade 106 Sun Beige.
Okay.
And then I have the shade 104 Golden Beige.
Yes, that's right. So you're applying like 3 different colors to see which one matches your skin perfectly.
And then I have the shade 105 Natural Beige. So I think all 3 of them are like pretty close.
So which one according to you is the closest to your skin color?
Normally I like to keep my foundation a bit on the warmer side, a bit on the yellowish tone. So I think I'd go with 106 Sun Beige.
So now just take a tissue paper and remove everything from your skin. Okay, once you're done with that, take a little bit of your foundation either on your hand over here, or if you have a makeup palette, like a steel palette, whatever you're comfortable with. Take a little bit of the foundation on your sponge directly. Okay, and then tap it onto your face all over. Yes, that's right. And go all over your face and tap it. So this way what happens is that you get a very, very even coverage and you get a very flawless foundation base on your skin. That's beautiful. You can see how even and beautiful your skin looks when you've done the right color foundation and a beautiful concealer.
Yeah.
So the most important step in making sure that your makeup lasts for 24 hours or 12 hours or however long you want it to be on your skin is using a good pressed powder. The Infallible L'Oreal pressed powder is a fantastic powder. Okay, so there are two different ways of using the powder correctly. So if you want a complete full coverage for your makeup to last for a really long amount of time, you will use the sponge and you will take a little bit of powder on that, and you will start by pressing that onto your entire skin little by little. So take a little bit of powder and keep pressing that into your skin all over. So there is another way of doing this, which is a lot of people use brushes, but I feel because we live in India and we face a lot of humidity and a lot of heat in our country, the right way of using a pressed powder is always using it either with a sponge or a powder puff. It will set your makeup, make it last longer, and it will actually allow your skin and your makeup to set for a really long period of time. That's beautiful. Look how your skin is looking. It's looking flawless.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Simmy, let's go into the next step, which is my favorite thing, which is eyebrows. And I think L'Oreal has come up with this amazing brow artist, which is fantastic. So let's show everybody how to use this correctly.
Yeah, so it has a spoolie on one side, it has the brow filler on the other side, and the brow filler actually has this triangular shape, which I really love about this product because it gives you that nice feathery soft strokes, and it's very easy to work with, especially if you're a beginner. I feel like it's actually a very good eyebrow filler.
So I'm going to give you my tip and trick for eyebrows. Always remember, the darkest part of your eyebrows should be the outer corners of your eyebrows. Okay, so you will always start by filling the arch and creating that shape first, and brush your hair at a 45-degree angle with the spoolie. Yes, that's right. So the trick is to remember, start from the outer corner and then slowly keep coming in and just filling in the gaps. You don't have to sit and fill your entire eyebrow with the pencil. It's about making your eyebrow look even and beautiful. Okay, so just make sure that you brush them at a 45-degree angle, and if there is any extra hair that comes up, you can brush that down towards the outer corner. Eyebrows are the most important part of makeup because it frames your face and allows you to create that perfect eye makeup that's going to suit your eye shape.
Done.
That's looking really beautiful, Simmy. Thank you. It's so beautifully. So Simmy, let's start with the La Petite L'Oreal eyeshadow palette. I think it comes with 5 shades, and there's one of my favorite shades in it, which is a peach color in the center.
Yes.
Yes. So let's take that on a flat eyeshadow brush and start from the middle of your eyelid, going to the outer corner and then to the inner corner, and keep it concentrated only within your eye socket, because the maximum product gets deposited where you first keep your brush. So if you start from the inner corner, you might get too much product, and that might be a little bit difficult to blend.
Okay, so I'll basically place the color.
Yes, and then start blending it.
Okay. So I'm gonna change the brush now to blend it. I'm using a fluffy brush. Okay, so basically I'm keeping the inner corners lighter and the outer corners are a bit darker because I've deposited the maximum pigment on the outer and the center of the eye.
Yes, correct. That looks really pretty. What I love about this color is that it actually brings out our skin tone a little bit, and it actually allows our skin to look really peachy and pretty.
Okay, so I'm going to repeat that on the other eye.
Yeah. Can you see how that color looks? It looks so fresh and pretty on the eyes. And it's perfect for, the festive season that we're getting into, because a lot of people don't really know how to use eyeshadow correctly. So I really hope that this tip helps you guys a lot. Let's go into my favorite thing for eyes, which is liner. So let's use the L'Oreal Gel Intensa liner. What I love about this liner is that it is 36 hours non-smudge proof, and it really lasts beautifully on the eyes, and it's super intense and dark. I love this gel pot. I am obsessed with this gel pot, guys. So Simmy, let's start by creating a really simple, delicate eyeliner. So start again from the center of your eyelid and draw a soft winged liner. So I personally always feel that gel liners work very well because of the weather we live in. It doesn't budge, it's smudge proof, it lasts for very, very long on the eyes. I only use the L'Oreal gel pots, and honestly, even when my brides or my clients cry, it does not move, which is fantastic. So, you know, I love it. That looks so beautiful, I love it. Wow, Simmy, you make doing a liner look so easy.
And I'm done.
That's amazing. That's the quickest liner ever. That's beautiful. Okay, so what I'm going to make you do now is that because Diwali is coming up and there are so many festivals coming up, and as Indians we love kajal inside our eyes, so let's put a little bit of this inside the bottom waterline. So make it super dark and intense inside the eyes. I love wearing kajal inside the eyes, especially when it comes to festival time in India. So you're going to take it from the inner corner to the outer corner inside the waterline underneath, and then I just want you to join the outside wing that you have created.
Done.
Yes, that looks amazing, Simmy. So pretty and delicate. Wow. Can you see how your eye looks? It looks so big and beautiful. And you know what I like about the L'Oreal gel pot? It actually makes the brown, because it is so intense, the black, it actually makes the brown of our eyes become lighter. And I think as Indians, that looks really gorgeous on us. Oh wow, that looks so beautiful, Simmy. That really looks lovely. So Simmy, my favorite step is mascara. I think it opens up the eyes, opens up the face and makes it look beautiful. And my favorite volume Paradise mascara from L'Oreal is fantastic. What I love about it, has an hourglass wand, and it's got this beautiful wand that actually one coat of mascara does the job for you. So it's so fantastic to use. So I actually want you to do that. The brush has got this lovely wave effect that it actually picks up product in just one swipe once you twirl it inside the pot, and that is fantastic. Can you see how beautifully in one swipe that entire lashes get coated gorgeously? Look how beautiful that's looking, Simmy. It changes the way your face and your eyes look. A beautiful mascara is all that you need to amp up that eye makeup.
It's just opened up my eyes so much more. I think everything is just like sort of coming together so well.
You're looking absolutely divine. Your eyes are looking so much in focus and so beautiful. I love a good eye makeup if it's done correctly. And thank you for doing it so beautifully, Simmy.
Thank you for guiding me, ma'am. Alright.
So Simmy, the next step in completing this beautiful look that you've done is using a blush, and the L'Oreal La Bar brush is beautiful. They have a gorgeous peach color. I'm going to show you how to make your cheeks look flushed and beautiful and soft and pretty. So always remember, when you're doing blush, you will always avoid coming too much into the inner corner right here. You will give yourself a small little smile. Look at yourself in the mirror. Start from the outer corners of the apples of your cheek and go into your cheekbone.
I love how the blush is actually complementing the eyeshadow, because it's all falling in that peachy, soft pastel category.
It's all falling into the peach family. I love blush. I feel it completes the look. It makes the person feel and look alive and pretty and healthy. A good blush should always make you look healthy. And what I love about the L'Oreal one, it's got a creamy formula, but it goes on as powder, super easy to blend on the skin, and just looks really soft and supple.
Done.
Okay, so the next step after this is, of course, the beautiful highlight that everybody loves nowadays. So let's use the L'Oreal highlight. What I like about it is that it's not too yellow, it's not too pink. It's actually the perfect shade for Indian skin, which is gorgeous.
I love the shade too, ma'am. I mean, it's very, it's like a champagne-y gold. It's not too gold, it's not like a rose gold. It's somewhere in the middle. It's such a beautiful champagne color. Just blends beautifully on the skin.
It really does. So I'm going to tell you the right way of applying the highlighter. I'm sure you already know, but I'm going to give you my gyan a little bit here. Let's apply your highlighter on your, basically below your under eye, on your high cheekbone going into your temples. So you have to just flick your brush very lightly back and forth on your skin. Beautiful. So just make sure it's properly blended and there's not a line across your face. So it shouldn't look like a line of highlighter and a line of blush. It should look beautifully blended.
And because this is a a creamy formula, actually there is no issue with the blending. It just like sort of seamlessly merges with your foundation. It is like sort of very creamy when you apply it. So no powder.
So it kind of like glides onto your skin.
Right. Okay, ma'am, I'm done with my cheekbone.
Okay, now another couple of places where you can apply a highlighter to actually make your face, bring out your face features a little bit more. The bridge of your nose, just lightly over here, just there. Your Cupid's bow, very important, actually allows your lip shape to get highlighted. And if you want that even beautiful glow, just above your eyebrows in the front, right there. That's the only places you will apply. This is the correct place for applying a highlighter. It should never look oily anywhere. So if you feel that there's too much in the center, just take your sponge and dab away the excess if that happens to you. I always like to use the beauty blender to just make sure that everything on the face is beautifully blended. So Simmy, let's complete this beautiful look that you have created with the L'Oreal Signature Matte Lipstick. It is such a beautiful liquid lipstick. And what I like about it is that it does not allow the lips to get dried out and look like you've been sucked dry. So all those lines of the lips don't get accentuated with this liquid lipstick, which is amazing. So what color are you going to use today, Simmy?
So I have the shade 121 I choose. It's a very nice, very pretty pastel pink sort of a color, like a very rosy color. I feel like it just complements the entire look very well. So I was thinking I'll go ahead with this one.
Now use the wand which comes with the L'Oreal liquid lipstick. Yes. And apply a beautiful even layer throughout your entire lips. Oh my god, that is such a beautiful shade, Simmy, and it complements the entire look that we've done so beautifully.
I love how it's looking. Like I feel like the entire look just looks stunning. Everything is just coming together so well. I've learned so much in this video.
I'm so glad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for guiding us through it, ma'am. It was so much fun doing it with you, and also like so lovely having you here and doing this once again. It's just like bringing back all the memories.
So it has been such a pleasure being able to do this with you and L'Oreal. So thank you L'Oréal Paris India for having me here, and Simmy for executing this look so wonderfully and so seamlessly.
So it was so lovely having you here, ma'am. Can't wait to do this again with you pretty soon.
See you, Simmy. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye guys.
So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. All of the products that we've used are mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out. And if you have any more do's and don'ts that you would like to share with us, let us know in the comment section below. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you are notified and updated every time we upload a new video on Maison L'Oréal Paris. And with that, signing off for now, and see you next time. Bye!